Good morning students, this is Vijay, Department of Chemistry for Mount Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School. In this session, I am going to explain Unit 3, P Block Elements 2, Part 8. So, today we are going to see a Group 17 halogen group elements and their occurrence. So, first we are going to see the occurrence of group 17 elements, that is halogen families. So the halogen family elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So the main source of fluorine is fluoride and fluoroiodide and cryolite. So just consider the molecular formula CaF2, then Ca3PO4 twice F, cryolite Na3Al F6. Okay, and the main source of chlorine is seawater, salt wells and salt pits. So these are the main source. The elements of compound source are sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. Okay, these are 1+ state metal, these are 2+ state of metals. Then bromine is the main occurrence, seawater and sea lakes. So the compounds are sodium bromide, potassium bromide and magnesium bromide. Okay, these are the 1+ oxidation number metals. This is magnesium 2+ state. So the iodine, the brine wells, sea beds and the ion I- iodide and sessile saltpeter, the molecular formula NaIO3. So these are the halogen group elements main source, the source of the halogen group elements. Next we are going to see the physical property of group 17 elements. Generally we are going to discuss physical property. We are going to see boiling point, melting point, density, atomic number, then radius, electronic configuration. These are the things we are going to discuss. So in a stable condition, standardized condition, at 293 Kelvin, fluorine exists as a gas, chlorine exists as a gas, bromine exists as a liquid, iodine solid and acetylene solid. And their isotopes, fluorine produce 1 isotope, chlorine 2 isotopes, then acetylene is also 2 isotopes. Others are in 1 isotopes. And the radius, most higher radius, acetylene 2.02. Okay, and density, okay, density wise, fluorine 1.55 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, you just consider. And melting point, so more melting point, acetylene, boiling point, larger acetylene. You just consider that. Generally the stable is important for 1 marks topics. Okay, next, the properties of chlorine. Chlorine is a high reactive, okay, and also it does not occur in a free nature. Okay, it is usually distributed as a various metal chlorides. Is it clear? Usually distributed as various metal chlorides. And also the most important chloride is sodium chloride, which occurs in a seawater. Is it clear? So these are the physical properties of chlorine. And the preparation of chlorine. Chlorine is prepared by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid with metal oxide, which is manganese oxide. So sodium chloride is a source of chlorine. So sodium chloride treated with sulfuric acid, metal oxide, manganese oxide. This reaction, chlorine is prepared, and these are the excess of product. Okay, so what is the preparation? Where chlorine is prepared by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid. The metal oxide is manganese oxide. So NaCl, manganese dioxide, reaction with sulfuric acid will produce a main product of chlorine. Okay, next, the preparation by oxidizing. Okay, the preparation based on oxidizing hydrochloric acid using the various oxidizing agent. You just underline various oxidizing agent. What are the various oxidizing agent? The metal oxides of lead oxide, manganese oxide, potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. These are used as oxidizing agent. When HCl is going to react with this oxidizing agent. It will give the product of chlorine, okay, and also chlorine. If it is excess of HCl, it will produce excess of chlorine as a product. So what is the preparation of chlorine? By using hydrochloric acid with the various oxidizing agent, we will get the product of chlorine. And next, when the bleaching powder is treated with mineral acid, the chlorine is prepared. Bleaching powder, what is that? CaOCl2. See that when it is treated with HCl, it will give chlorine as a product, excess of calcium chloride and water. These are excess of product. Okay, our main product is HCl. And again, it is treated with another mineral acid. It is H2SO4. Again, it will give the sulfate, metal sulfate, and our main product is chlorine. Okay, so treated with mineral acid such as HCl and H2SO4, it will give the same product. Okay, chlorine as a product. And next, the manufacture of chlorine. Now we are going to prepare large scale. So usually the chlorine manufacture is possible for Decon process and electrolytic process. By the way, we are going to prepare Decon process or HCl treated with oxygen with the condition of CuCl2, cupric chloride, 723 Kelvin. It will give the chlorine and excess mole of water. Okay, so this process and their condition is called as Decon process. And the electrolytic process and the solution of brine, NaCl, okay, is electrolyzed as a give the product of Na plus Cl minus. The ionized product of NaCl is Na plus Cl minus is formed. But Na plus ion react with OH ion of water and form sodium hydroxide. Na plus OH minus form sodium hydroxide. Hydrogen and chlorine are liberated as a gas. Okay, it's an electrolytic process. And the process is, this is a cathode, anode compartment. Cathode compartment is negatively charged, anode compartment is positively charged. Generally, anode responsible for oxidation, cathode is responsible for the reduction. Is it clear? H plus and Cl minus NaOH. Okay, here the hydrogen is less reactive than sodium. Is it clear? Hydrogen is less reactive than sodium. Our chlorine is more simple than OH, so that the sodium hydroxide is left in the bottom. Is it clear? Okay. Next, the hydrogen is collected at the cathode compartment. Is it clear? The hydrogen is collected at the cathode compartment. The chlorine is collected at the anode compartment. Generally, anode compartment is responsible for oxidation and cathode compartment is responsible for the reduction. So, what is the reaction possible for the cathode? Hydrogen gain 2 electron H2. Is it clear? And anode compartment Cl 2 Cl ion losses 2 electron. Is it clear? And the overall reaction is ionized product of NaCl, Na plus Cl minus, ionized water H plus OH minus. So Na plus OH minus react form sodium hydroxide. At cathode H2 deposited, anode Cl2 deposited. Okay, liberated their various compartment. Is it clear? So this process is called electrolysis process. Is it clear? Next, the physical properties of chlorine. Chlorine is generally a green gas, the pungent smell. Pungent means irritating smell. Okay, and hence it is the gas smell. It create a headache, and also there a small quantity, whereas it is increase the level of fatal level. Okay, is a quantity, and also it is 2.5 times heavier than air. The chlorine is soluble in water, and its solution is referred as a chlorine water. Okay, the solution of chlorine is called as a chlorine water. Is it clear? And it is deposit greenish yellow crystal where the hydrated form. Is it clear? Cl2 dot 8 mole of water in a crystal form, yellow color is reflected. it can be converted into liquid by the condition of the boiling point minus 34.6 degrees Celsius, and it form a crystalline, the melting point minus 102 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I hope everybody will understand this session. Okay, thank you.